Let's see the solution of these two problems. They were sent by one of our subscribers on YouTube. They're about word problems. The first question number 12, it reads, on a journey of 300 kilometers, a motorist calculates that if he reduced his average speed by 5 kilometers per hour, 5 kilometers per hour, he would take 40 minutes longer. We should calculate the average speed. Marks awarded 7 marks. So solution. Question. Let's have this illustration. Mtunda umene kuyendedwa ndi nkuluyi muchichewa ndi 300 kilometers. Let's say kuti popita amaenda speed ya 15 km per hour and the time spent zantengera 1 hour. You see, distance imene kuyendedwa. Let's say from his village to town, motorist ameneyo distance is 300 kilometers, and when going to town he was traveling at 15 kilometers per hour and he spent 1 hour. Pobwerera akuna kuti if this is speed, we're assuming that he was traveling at 15 kilometers per hour on his first journey. Ndakuti pobwerera the speed waipanga reduce ndi 15 kilometers. I mean 5 kilometers per hour. Ndakuti pobwerera azipanga traveling ndi 10 kilometers per hour. Therefore kuenda pang'ono distance ndio mwe ya 300 kilometers yo. Sangathenso 1 hour yomwe. Ndakuti mwina zintengera 1 hour 40 minutes. Zintengera 1 hour 40 minutes. So that's what it is saying the question here. And now if he reduced his average speed by 5 kilometers per hour, he would take 40 minutes longer. So the speed yakaichepetsa zintengera ulendo uchulukirapo than before. Ulendo anatenga 1 hour, ulendo zuntengera 1 hour 40 minutes. So difference between 1 hour 40 minutes and the 1 hour, that's 40 minutes. Now let's do this. We don't know the average speed, and we don't know time taken. Let's do this. Distance is the same, 300 kilometers from village to town. He was traveling a particular speed. So let's say that that particular speed is x. You see? When returning, he will be traveling at x minus 5. Simujanana kuti umaenda pa 15 km per hour. Ndipo bwelera wapanga reduce. Ndekuti uchotsera. Ndekuti this time is 10 km per hour. So the difference between the speed here, that's 5 kilometers. 5 km per hour. Now let's do this. We should have this simple table. The current distance, the current speed, the current time. Distance which is covered here in the first journey, the 300. And the pobwelera panso in the second journey is the same 300 kilometers. But the speed, when going, we don't know that is speed. That's x. Since we are finding the speed, let's assume that he was traveling at x kilometers per hour. And when returning, the speed was reduced by 5 kilometers per hour. So this time the speed will be x minus 5. The speed has been reduced by 5. Now let's find the time here. Time, tikatengera famous triangle of the speed. When finding speed, timapanga distance divided by time. So if you are to find the time here, timapanga distance divided by speed. So our time here will be distance 300 divided by speed, which is x. Aba you 300 divided by x minus 5. That's the time taken. But ngarimukumbukira buno kumambiroko. Si speed yachepa. Mujamuna kuti akuenda 10 km per hour, 15 km per hour, ndi speed waichepetsa mwachizukire akuenda pang'ono, so time idzakhala ochokera kutanthauza kuti this journey here it will take much time. So the difference between this one and that one, difference the 40 minutes. That's 40 minutes. That's the difference between the two journeys in terms of time. Then 40 minutes supposed to be changed to hours. Ikhale ma hour. So munaphunzira ku form 1 zopanga convert time minutes to hours. So you made panga just simple. Mungotenga 40 minutes yo divided by 60 minutes. Kabena mana kuti 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. What about 40 minutes? What about 40 minutes? So 40 minutes it was again. So just a matter of cross multiplication. Here we're gonna have 60 minutes times 6 is equal to 1 hour times 40 minutes. So to find x, tingo gawa both sides in the 60 minutes, or also tingo gawa in the 60 minutes. So this one cancel. Remaining if x is equal to 60 minutes, minutes need to cancel 60. 40 divided by 60, answer and the 40 over 60, which is 2 over 3. So we have 2 over 3 hours. As the let's now find value of x by subtracting this one and that one. Equal to about 40 minutes, which is represented by 2 over 3. So you made the bank tempo kulemba 300 divided by x minus 5. So we have 300 divided by x minus 5 minus 300 divided by x. The difference is 40 minutes, which is this one, 2 over 3. Then let's find the common denominator here. Common denominator, that's x, open bracket, x minus 5. Nkulu ukalowa part it's and dx. X times 300, and we're going to have 300 x. Then minus. Ichi chikalowe up. This thing which is in the bracket. So we're going to just write that one, 300 multiplied by x minus 5. Then here is equal to 2 over 3. Let's now remove the bracket. We have 300 x minus 300 times x, here that's 300 x. Then negative 300 multiplied by negative 5. As I get it's a positive 1500. So here we're going to divide it by x, then x minus 5 is equal to 2 over 3. Then like terms together, you will see what if this one that one will cancel. On top we'll have 1500 divided by x, open bracket, x minus 5 is equal to 2 over 3. Then let's do cross multiplication. If you cross multiply here, you must say that's x square minus 5x. Negode gazette musava it's 2x square minus 10x is equal to 3 times 15. As I get about 4,500. Then baba tito you can simplify, take out 2. So we're gonna take out 2. 2 into 2x squared, we have x. So we have x here minus 5, 5x. Yeah. Then is equal to 4,500. Then we're gonna divide both sides by 2. 2 into 2 cancel, remaining if x minus 5x is equal to 2 into 4,500. We're gonna have 2,250. Kana we're gonna have this. Let's take this one. I believe this side. We have x squared minus 5x then minus 2250 is equal to 0. Then you have to solve this one by factorization. So just simple. What you're gonna do, this over there. We got a that's negative 2250 x squared. So we should find a number, pairs of number, which is zeta mosa, this one, but that difference should be that one, 5x. So our answers, we have what can be the answer here. The difference between the two numbers should be 80. No, 80, 45 and 50. Yeah, should be 45 and 50. Let's try. 45 multiplied by 50. Yeah, that's the answer. So we're gonna have x squared minus 50x plus 45x minus 2250 is equal to 0. Zero 45. Then next is to pair the terms. Common factor in the first bracket, that's x into x square. We have x into 50x, we have 50. Then plus common factor in the second bracket, that's 45. 45 into 45x, we have x. Then here we have 50. Have 50 there is equal to 0. Then here we have x minus 50 versus x plus 45 is equal to 0. Then what we're gonna do, either x minus 50 is equal to 0 or x plus 45 is equal to 0. So here it will be x is equal to 50 or x is equal to 45 but one negative. So we are finding average speed, so we cannot take average speed negative. So average speed, that's 50 kilometers per hour. So tibwelera apa tipeze time 300 divided by 50, the answer is 6. Ndikuti time, that's 6. I think the number 6. Whereas 300 divided by 50 minus 5, have 45 here. So let's write there 300 divided by 45. The answer is 6.6667 to the nearest. So that's the difference. Data digital above digital 6.00. Answer you get 0.6667. You see? So we have these ones as our hours. They made bang. Could you be minutes? What? Tingo 80 times in the 60. Movanke calculate up 0.6667 times 60. 60 seconds. You see good answer over 40. That's 40 minutes. That's how we can solve this problem. So that's how we solve these kind of problems. Mind you, if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as liking my Facebook page, Unique Online Classes. So let's now finish with this problem here. Question number 13. It was also awarded 7 marks. The question reads, a man bought some fish for 4,000 dollars. Yeah? If the fish had each been sold at 20 kwacha, then he could have bought 10 fish more. How much was one fish sold? This one is so simple. Solution. Total cost. The 4,000 dollars. You see? Komano cost of fish sitikudziwa kuti ndalama zingati, so let's put x. Nekuti number of fish tipanga total cost divided by cost of each fish. Ndekuti zakukhala 4,000 divided by x. Let's say the number mwachitsanzo kunsika mwakapanga spend 5,000 wacho and sweet mmodzi agulitsa 50 kwacho, kuti mudzukuni mwagula masweet angati mungopanga 5,000 divided by 50 which is about 100. Ndekuti mwagula 100 sweets. The same applies here. Ndekuti to find the number of fish ndekuti ngopanga divide total cost divided by cost of each fish. Now aona kuti ngati nsomba inalonse imagulidwa ataigula pa 20 kwacha less kuti apa magula 100 kwacha, isaika 100 kwacha, lese amagula lese 200 tingolekeza ndi 200 kwacha less 20 ndekuti it will be 180. Ndekuti achitsira ndekuti apapa new cost of fish ikhala x minus 20. You see? Ndekuti total fish in this case idzakhala 4,000 divided by x minus 20. You see? So this is the number of fish, means the number of fish. If the fish are now sold at 20 kwacha. Now nakuti this number here tikachotsera ndi number omwe ili apa, the difference is 10. Pamaswiti pomwepa tingolekeza kuti tagula 50 kwacha tikupeza maswiti 100 ndi this time tichotsere ku 20 kwacha ndikuti zakhala 50,000, I mean 5,000 divided by 30. You see kuti asala izakhala number yaikulu. Ndi tikachotsera the difference between these two numbers, asala that's 10. The difference is 10. So what you're gonna do, mungolemba apa 4,000 divided by x minus 20 minus 4,000 divided by x. The answer here should be equal to 10. Not 100 but 10. That means we need to find common denominator. Common denominator apa, that's x, open a bracket, x minus 20. Then x minus 20 divided by, divided by x, open a bracket, x minus 20, then it's on the x times 4,000, and then it can be 4,000, x then minus. You put a color this and here in bracket, this, then we got 4,000 here, then x minus 20 is equal to 10. Then let's now remove the bracket. We're gonna have 4,000 x minus this one times that one, it equals 4,000 x, then plus 20 times 4,000, answer equals 80,000. Then is equal to 10 divided by x open bracket, x minus 20. Now this one, that one will cancel, remaining with the 80,000 on top, divided by x square minus 20x is equal to 10. Take them. Let's do cross multiplication. So this 10 is going to multiply with this one. You got about 10x squared minus 200x is equal to 1 times 80,000. You got about 8,000. Then here we're going to factor out 10. Then we're going to x squared minus 20x is equal to 80,000. Here we're going to divide by 10. I also divide by 10. So this is x squared minus 20x, then is equal to 8,000. Then we're gonna take this one and go to this side. So it will be x squared minus 20x minus 8,000 is equal to 0. And then you solve this one by completing square quadratic formula or factorization. So let's factorize this one. They will have negative 8,000 x square. So 8,000 divided by 20. Answer it was 400. Divided by 20. Answer it was 20. Answer it was 20. Then to it's a 4. It was a 5. 5. It was 1. Yeah. Something like this. So upon I think I won't go to take on. Chimeti pange tingotenga uyu ndi uyu ndi uyu. Apo tikaita museti patsa 80, apo tikaita museti patsa 100. They would have 100 multiplied by 80. They would hand it down count negative. So it would be x squared minus 100 x, then plus 8x, then minus 8,000 is equal to 0. Common factor in each bracket. In this bracket we're going to take x. X into x squared have x minus x into 100x, we have 100. Then plus we have 8 here as common factor. Then both it's an x, negative and positive, we have negative. 8 into 8,000, we have 100 here. Then is equal to 0. So we have x plus 8, then x minus 100 is equal to 0. So either x plus 8 is equal to 0 or x minus 100 is equal to 0. So what we have in here, x is equal to negative 8 or x is equal to 100. So the cost cannot be negative, but this one. So each fish was sold at 100. Let's go back to our problem here and see. Total cost is 4,000 euros. So if we divide by 100, they would have 40 fish. You see? There, if each fish was sold 20 kwacha less, they would it would be 4,000 divided by 100 minus 20, which is equal to 4,000 divided by 80. 4,000 divided by 80, the answer is 50. So you can see what is the difference between 50 fishes and 40 fishes. The difference is that's 10 according to the question. As I will do that take. Yeah, that's how we can solve this problem. I think I should stop here. We should meet in the next video. But please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as liking my Facebook page, Unique Online Classes Malawi. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best.